Hello everybody, I am come back with quite interesting lesson and which is Nectar in Sea written by Kamla Markande, and I'm going to see Nectar in Sea. Genre social novel, pastoral novel and written by Kamla Markandeya, 1954. The title has been taken from the 1952 poem Work Without Hope by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. It's very important point. And then, what about the themes? Hunger as a threat to dignity and the strength of truth. Then characters, Rukmani the narrator and the protagonist of the novel, Nathan, Rukmani's husband, a tenant farmer who loves the land. Kani, a white doctor who ministers to the people in the village. And then Kunti, the village beauty pregnant when Rukmani first meets her. Ira, Rukmani's daughter, her first child. Arjun, Rukmani and Nathan's first son. Amu, Murugan's abandoned and unfaithful wife. Das, the kind servant of Murugan's former employee in the city. And a really beautiful quotes which is written by Markandeya. While the sun shines on you and the fields are green and beautiful to the eye, and your husband sees beauty in you which no has seen before, and you have a good store of grain laid away for hard times, a roof over you and a sweet stirring in your body, what more can a woman ask for? Here very beautiful and natural imagery can be displayed in these lines, and the beauty of woman and loved, she's loved by her husband, and everything is really very interesting. And then we have plot. This is a story of 12 years old girl. She is just 12 years old and got married with Nathan, and then the struggle has started. Initially everything was very awesome, and she got love by her husband and respect, and she learned each and everything which is really very important as a housewife. After that she blessed with a girl, and the name of girl is Ira. After that 6 years she couldn't bear a child for Nathan, and then the problem has been started because there is no son for Nathan. And then one day she went to her mom's home where she met a foreign doctor, Kani, and she got treatment over there. After that she produced 6 sons one by one. After that great change was occurring in her life, and their daughter is growing up. They are ready, they are making arrangement for her marriage, and this year monsoon destroyed all the crops. They felt very bad. It was a bitter experience of their life. Somehow they managed the marriage of their daughter, and struggle has been started. They are doing great struggle to make their life more easy and to get some food, because they have big family and they are not able to feed them very well. In that way their struggle is going on, and one day after doing lots of struggle Nathan has also died. And then eventually Rukmani, his daughter Ira, and Polly lived with doctor, and they got help by the doctor, and they just lived their life in a normal way. But the struggle was way too much high. Throughout their life they just starved to food. They faced hunger and poverty. Very pathetic story, tragical story, and twist and turns which is really tragic and sad, and they just somehow live their life. This brings to me end of the lesson, and this video definitely helpful to all of you, and I will come back with more interesting video. Till then, you take care and bye bye. Thanks for watching.